This is meaningless, a grievous evil. A man may have 100 children and live many years, yet no matter how long he lives, if he cannot enjoy his prosperity and does not receive proper burial, I say that a stillborn child is better off than he. It comes without meaning, it departs in darkness, and in darkness its name is shrouded. Though it never saw the sun or knew anything, it has more rest than does that man, even if he lives 1,000 years, twice over, but fails to enjoy his prosperity. That's a problem with men, as Solomon has observed it. And he asks, do not all go to the same place? Maraming mga pag-aaral ang ginawa itong si Solomon sa buhay. Nire-review niya at nung sinulat niya itong ating binabasang aklat, siya ay nasa advanced years na ng kanyang buhay. Kaya finilter na niya ng mga maaalala niya ang lahat ng mga naganap. Natutunan na niyang kuhanan ng moral lesson ng mga causes and effects ng kanyang buhay. At ito ang idinadagdag niya na kaalaman tungkol sa buhay. It's not the having, but the enjoyment of what one has that counts. Sinyabali, wala naman kung napakarami mong mga ari-arian, hindi mo naman na-enjoy.